Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to smelt ores and cook food in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of things you need. Of course, you'll need a lot of coal. So I'm just going to go ahead and split these into three. So let's just do that. One's going to go there. Then another one's going to go ahead and go there. And another one's going to go there. There you go. So our furnaces are set up with coal. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and smelt your iron ore. So one's going to go here, which is going to start smelting. Another one's going to go here, and my food is going to go here. So it is as simple as that. Now, as soon as it finishes smelting, you can simply go ahead and get the results just like that. When your food is ready, you can get it as well. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.